Hello, how are you? This is RainDrops coming to you again live. It's a Sunday morning. I'm feeling wonderful, blessed, and I promised that I would give a song every so often. I'm trying to do as much as I can. Today I'm going to be singing another one of my favorite artists, Brandy, Have You Ever?
Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so bad you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words but they don't come out right? Have you ever Have you ever been in love so bad you do anything to make them understand? Have you ever had someone steal your heart away? You'd give anything, oh, to make them feel the same. Have you ever searched for words to get you in the heart, but you don't know what to say, and you don't know where to start? Have you ever loved somebody so much makes you wanna cry? Ooh. Have you ever tried to find the word? Have you ever? Ooh. Have you ever found the one you've dreamed of all your life? You do just about anything, oh, to look into their eyes. And have you finally found the one you've given your heart to, only to find that one won't give their hearts to you? And have you ever closed your eyes and dreamed that they were there, and all you could do is wait for the day when they will care? Have you ever loved somebody so much makes you wanna break down and cry? Can't sleep, just can't sleep at night. Oh, have you ever? What do I gotta do to get you in my arms, baby? And what do I gotta say to get to your heart, to make you understand that I need you next to me? I gotta get you in my world, 'cause baby I can't sleep. Have you ever loved somebody so much makes you wanna break down and cry? You can't sleep, just can't